Zor's people recognize you now, so you'll be going undercover for this mission. I hope you're not scared of heights. Data retrieved from Zor's car confirms information linked to us from a Dr. Lincoln. We have also heard news that Zor's lieutenant, Daniel Sands, has been researching a supervirus. We need you to infiltrate the lab and destroy that virus. We believe Zoraxis is creating a deadly supervirus. We know Zor wants revenge on the agency, but this is a tad extreme. Get into that lab, and I'll walk you through making an antivirus. Perhaps when you're done there, you can come clean my office.
Breach detected. Initiating security measures.
We really should ask laser manufacturers to stop selling to obviously insidious individuals.
ID accepted. Security disabled.
Full disclosure, Agent, I don't really know how to make an antivirus. However, Sean in HR says you tested well in chemistry, so give it a go. Save millions of lives and don't blow yourself up. By the time that chemical's frozen, we'll be long gone. I thought the sandwich was fine as it was. You're awfully picky, Agent. Agent, you've been spotted. Quick, act naturally. They ran off. I always knew you were intimidating. It's your stoic silence.
Neutralization attempt blocked. Playing pre-recorded message.
Found a conscience despite our threats. Well, I'm afraid you won't have a chance to use your antivirus. We're changing the timetable and launching the supervirus today.
Deploying rocket boosters.
Agent, if that rocket launches with an active virus, millions will die. Neutralize that virus now.
Launch imminent.
You're too late.
6, 5, 4. Virus payload neutralized. 2,
1. Well done, Agent. There will be no outbreak today. Let's get you out of there. A bit of bad news. Your test scores for window washing came back. It seems breaking a window is generally frowned upon while washing it. But hey, what's a broken window to saving 500,236 lives? Quite a bit, actually. It's coming out of your paycheck.